What happens when you check into a hotel and they have one of those devices? When you pull the keys off the wall,
All the electricity shuts down. All the power is
this
off.
controls the power in the room. How do you override that now? We need to go eat breakfast and check out by 12. But my laptop's battery is dying. When we leave the room with the only key we get, that magnet is cable tied to the key. I got phantom battery that needs to be charged still. My laptop needs to be charged. Grab the refrigerator. Pull it out. Plug it. It's the refrigerator. The refrigerator stays on. That circuit needs power at all times.
What you doing?
Plugging all my stuff in. Take the magnet and take the key off the wall so we can see if it does work. Yep. Everything still works. There you go.
So there you go.
Now I got laptop plugged in, phantom battery charging, and it's actually already charged.
Alright, let's
Charging.
go.